Hello all, welcome to Technostic. In the section of working with web development, that is we are working with front-end web development with HTML. Today we are going to see how to use text color property. So basically what you have to do is I'll just be showing you how to change the color of the text, and we have already seen that how to change background of a web page, and so now let's see how to change the color of the text of our web page. So let's get started. I'll just show you a small demo on how to do that stuff, and you can just go and practice it by your own. It's very easy. It's nothing that can be too difficult to understand or something. We'll just change the color of the background also, as to see that how both works together. And so I'm changing it to, like, in all what we are doing over here is we are embedding the CSS elements into HTML, like CSS attributes into as an HTML elements over here in our web page. So basically we are working with HTML, but we are using CSS for this formatting stuff. So this is known as inline CSS. You have three types of CSS that we'll be looking forward in the CSS module of our whole working with web development section. Right now I'll be using background color property, and with that we'll just make it yellow. Why I'm using yellow is very visible for now, and it will be easy for you to see. Basically most things are like yellow, orange that you use, like you rarely use blue or something. It's too dark to even let's just take power blue, maybe it will work. So it's just how to fancy around colors and everything. It's nothing special in it. I'm just showing as an example anyway. So we'll be writing let's say a paragraph tag, and first we'll just write it down what we are doing it, and we'll say this is the paragraph. And now what we'll do is we'll take a style element over here, that is style attribute over here, and then what we'll do is we'll take color equals to, color colon, let's say we take red color. So we have taken red color over here, and what else we can do is we can just take paragraph, or we'll just write let's take another paragraph tag, or let's just take heading. So h2 will take, so this is the heading, and we'll end the heading section, and here we'll just take style attribute equals to inverted quotations, color equals to say white. Okay, so this is how basically we have designed the script. We'll just save it. What we'll do is we go over here, and we know that it's text color.html, so we'll just look into text color.html, and we'll just double click to see its thing. We are not getting the background color, so let's just go and check what's the problem with it. And here we can see might be we won't be having color blue, so let's just take blue maybe, and that might work along. Okay, we'll just save it again, and then we'll go over here and we'll press F5 to undo it. And yes, you can get a blue color over here. You can see the red color written, this is a paragraph, and a white color heading, this is a heading. So this is how we change the color of the text, and background also as a fact. And thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content to Technostic. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.